Now we're going to take a closer look at the Zoom H5 recorder itself. I'm bunging in a freeze frame here to show you the left side of the recorder. So you have your headphone jack, the volume for your headphones, then the mini USB, which is how you connect the recorder to a computer to transfer your audio for editing. We'll come back to this later. Finally, most importantly, you have the on-off button. So you need to press and slide that button to the right to turn on the recorder. You'll initially see a screen showing SD card access. Once that's finished loading, the screen you now see is the main recording screen, and that's what you want to see. Now we're going to take a look at the right-hand side of the device. First, there is the SD card slot. You don't need to do anything with that. Here's another freeze frame in the vid to show the menu button. This is an important button because it is always your quick route back to the recording screen. So if you are on an odd screen which you don't recognize, pressing the menu button will get you back to the recording screen, as I'm showing here. Then there is a navigation wheel directly above the menu button. This is to move up and down through the options. Pressing it in the middle lets you select an option.
So how to record? We have the external microphone plugged into channel 1 here. We have channel 1 selected in the buttons here. And we can also see that we are getting some information coming through on channel 1 on the screen here. So if we're ready to record, you can press the button here and you will see that the numbers start to go up at the top of the screen. Note, I don't have very much battery left, so if I were doing a field recording, I would want to check that before going outside to do that. Now, I'm going to stop recording, and if I want to play that back, I can hit the play button.
Press the button here, and you will see... We don't need to listen to all that again. I'm going to interject to say that you might need to press the rewind or fast forward buttons to skip between your recorded sound files.
So that's me paused it. I can also stop it.
Right now on the screen, you can see audio information bobbing up and down. These are your levels or gains, so we're going to look at those in the next video.